Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a lazy but effective strategy for lip syncing. This is effective for making things fast but still wanting it to be of good quality. Instead of the normal 9 mils, we're going to be breaking it down into 4 mils. Closed.
Charlotte, she, her.
Hey kid, you here for the lip flap spectacular tutorial?
I thought it was called lip sync.
Boy, have you come to the right place!
Hey kids, Beef Tacho here.
You seen these shots, right? You know the ones that I did, that I showed you, cause I'm just that good. You probably didn't notice, but all 3 of these scenes had different lip syncing methods. You know that I animated what a nice guy I am. First shot is actually the shot that I wanted to show you, cause it's the most professional level, and it's the lip syncing method that I use for most of my cartoons. No more BFDI mouths for you, my friend. The method is inspired by 3 lip sync methods that most Eastern cartoons use, like anime. Okay, not anime per se, but like, typical Dragon Ball Z lip sync, That's me. Okay, there's 3 mouths that are essential, but I had 2 more, to make it look more smooth. If you had a little bit of squash and stretch into these movements, I bet you it'll look the same as most professional cartoons. I mean, whatever works, basically. Here's some example of that lip sync style in action. Oh, not that one.
Wow, can't believe I'm talking without hearing the audio file. Over and over and over again. It's truly a miracle what we live through. You know what I mean?